We are going to sketch one cycle of the graph y equals -3 cotangent pi over 2x, identifying the amplitude, the period, and the 5 major points. So the amplitude of -3 cotangent pi over 2x would be the absolute value of -3, which would equal just 3. And for the period, it would be pi over x, which would equal pi all over pi over 2, and the pi's would cancel out, leaving us with just 1/2. And then for the distance between, it would be whatever we just got for the period, so 1/2 all over 4, and that would equal 1/8. And then for the left vertical asymptote, it would be pi over 2x is equal to 0. And that would equal, and then x would just equal 0. And then for our coordinates, we would start off with whatever we got for the left vertical asymptote, which was 0, and then we would go for the distance between, it would be, we would just add 1/8 to everything. So 0 plus 1/8 equals 1/8, and then the next one would be 2/8, and the next one would be 3/8, and the last one would be 4/8. And then for the graph, we would start off with 0, and we would have an asymptote there. And then our graph would go all the way to 4/8, which reduces to 1/4. And that would be our right vertical asymptote. And then we would cut this in half right about here. Our right vertical asymptote would be at 1/2, excuse me, because 4/8 reduces to 1/2. And we would cut this in half into 1/4, because 2/8 reduces to 1/4. Then we'd cut this portion in half, and that would be 1/8. And then we would cut this portion in half, and that would be 3/8. And our amplitude is 3, so this would go all the way up to 3, and since this is 1/2, it would go a little bit over, 3 would be about here, and then about here. And since our problem started off with the negative, we would start at the bottom, then we would go to an x-intercept, and then we would go to max, and that would be